Hey guys, this is Checking the Diary for June 1st, spoken by Elswyth. So here's my confession. It is a new month, it is a Monday, and I absolutely love when the first day of the month falls on a Monday. Don't know why, it just feels like the whole month is going to be amazing. That reminds me, Cookie, go hang up a calendar in that new place of yours. Get it to feel like home. Guys, I enjoyed the Patron Poll immensely. I got so much inspiration there, and I really enjoyed the back and forth and getting to know a little bit more about you and also clearing up a few assumptions. So there's a lot to be working on this month. I'm excited about that, and let's do it again mid-month and see how we're progressing. I will say a few of the topics are ones I didn't expect at all, and I find that exciting. A few playful files will be coming up, just things to let you experience a few non-fetish tricks. Technically, these types of sessions, they're called convincers. I know y'all are convinced, but let's play anyway. I'm mostly bringing it up because they play a lot with sensations, and it sounds like sensation play is the way a lot of people want to go as well. So, let's see. Mario or Mario? I hear it both ways here in the UK. I admit I'm American, so I grew up saying it Mario, like Super Mario Brothers, which you probably get tired of hearing, but I have a lot of Italian relatives who are named Mario as well, and probably went by Mario. Anyway, thank you for your yummy note on Kick regarding corner time. I'm working on a begging training at the moment, and I have a feeling it's going to be right up your alley. Rob let me know he plans to listen as much as is reasonable, which I think is a good goal, but he also cutely wondered if he should listen to Release or Token next. Come on, Rob. Which one do you think Mistress is going to say comes next? Release or Token? Anyway, you guys can guess out if you want. Sorry, Rob, I couldn't resist calling you out. Did I make you blush? Note to John. There is a fun thing out right now today for Lord of the Rings fans. It's called One Zoom to Rule Them All. It's with Josh on YouTube, and I have friends who are absolutely raving about it. And I know we somewhat recently talked about those books, so you might enjoy that. And let's see, personal files. Well done to my dear statue for also contacting me and already letting me know how you feel you need to be toyed with next. Don't worry, I have plenty up my sleeve for those of you that had a private taste last month. If you want to send me a note about any particular desires, go ahead. Things to note would be the type of